G'day everyone, my name is Anthony, I'm from Evotech Pacific, and in today's video we're going to be looking at creating a job that's quite unusual as far as jewelry designs is concerned. If we take a look at it, this is the image that we've been provided by our client, and what we can see here is we've got a set of semi bezels around these gemstones here, and we also have a feature claw on the exposed side of the gemstone. Now when we have a look in the through finger view, we can see that we've also got a cutout in the center bezel here. So we're going to have to create a design that fits the brief but also enables it to be actually manufactured. Now when we take a close look at this part of the ring, we can see that there will need to be a seat, I guess, for the gemstone down the bottom here. So this isn't going to be completely cut out, otherwise there's no real way this is going to have a lot of strength to it. So we're going to have to navigate this one a little bit closely and just make sure that we create something that actually can be manufactured. Alright, so let's open up Matrix Gold version 3.9 and we'll start with our finger size being a size L. Now because this is a cathedral shank here, if we have a look we can see we've got this flow up shank that we